Y- you see, my dad buying me again. See how our bully person and this pellet gun, but this bullet is real. Shh! You see that thing behind on you? What do you mean, kid bro? See on your back. Hello guys. I'm Maple. Hi, can be friends. No, you four. Brother, help me, brother. You never had a brother, Maple. You little kid only never protective on you. Wake up. Don't treat me. Don't treat me. I said wake up. Hey, kid. I say wake up on you. Hey bro, she had lot of blood. Why did you wake up? You say, that's not a pellet gun. That is real gun. Your dad buy it for you. That this how I got the blood. Hey, help me please. Hey friend, help me. I got the blood. You stupid. Do you kill him? Mm, really? You said it our pellet gun, but real gun. Don't say me that, bro. I know you're not bully like him. Now time to kill you because you skip my decision. No, please, friend. No, 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 no. Ouch. I see you who kill my friend, then kill ya. Ready to die. I'm ready to die. Little brother. I'm saving Corny. What the heck? Hey bro, where are you? You killed my little brother. Just die or I kill you someday. We're ready to die. Die. I save you, Corn. Just shut up, okay? Don't tell anything but kill us. Yes, yes, but don't kill me, please. I never kill you, but your friend who killed my friend, I killed him to goodbye.